Okay, boys and girls, now that I've designed the one little corner piece of my mandala, we need to go from this little corner piece to creating our full-size mandala. So that means we're going to be creating a new document, a new drawing, and copying that corner piece 4 times so that it is symmetrical. So if I'm in my Google Drive already, I can just go to File and then New Drawing. If I'm not in my Google Drive, I'll have to go to Google and sign in and get to my drive and then go to New Drawing. So I'm going to click New Drawing here. And then in this drawing, I'm going to title this Mandala 2, so I know that that's my final project. I also need to change the size of this picture. So I go to File, Page Setup, and then I'm going to go to Custom, and I'm going to change this to 8 inches by 8 inches and click OK. Now from here, I want to import this little corner piece. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Insert, Image, Upload from my computer. So from here, I'm going to be opening my drive and I'm going to find that mandala file. So I have mine here. I'm going to click on it and click Choose. And so I've opened that file. Now I'm going to take this file here, and if I start it in the corner, I'm going to bring this all the way over here so that I can build a mandala that kind of goes out from the center here. Oops, that actually goes here. There we go. Okay, so now on my keyboard, I'm going to click Command-C to copy this, and then Command-V to paste it 3 more times. Okay, so I have 3 pieces of my mandala here, but I need to kind of rotate them around so that they connect together. So this piece is in the right spot. It's starting in the middle. I'm going to start now with this section. I'm going to use this little circle tool to bring it around 1 rotation. Okay, and then I'm going to line it up here so that they connect together. Then I'm going to take this one, rotate it around 2 times this time. Okay, and now they're connected together there. I'm going to line that up with the corner of my paper. And then this one here, I have to rotate it 3 times. So let's see if I did this correctly. I did. Okay. All right, now my pictures, my little mandala pieces are lined up in the center there. So my mandala here is building out from the center. So notice how I have a whole bunch of white space here. You probably shouldn't have all that white space if you built your mandala out a little bit larger than mine. So think about building this space out a little bit more so that you have a bigger mandala and a more interesting mandala. If you have your pieces all fit together though, then you are done. Your mandala is finished. So you don't have to save anything. This will just automatically save to your drive. Come see Miss Butner so she can help you print this, and you are finished with your final project mandala.